Hi friends, welcome to my channel Financial Bay. Today I'll tell you how to cover yourself financially, how to protect yourself financially from this pandemic corona. Two types of policies have been introduced in the market, which is Corona Kavach and Corona Rakshak. Today I'll tell you the detailed description of both these policies so that you can choose what is the best for you. There is no disclaimer of any policy which I will be suggesting, it is solely up to you. So now going forward to the video, just come on the screen. The Corona Kavach policy is an indemnity type plan where the hospital will get reimbursed up to the sum insured limit subject to the terms and condition. It means Corona Kavach policy, hospital will be getting the reimbursement amount. But whereas in Corona Rakshak policy, it is a benefit based plan up to where 100% sum insured is paid to the insured person if he gets hospitalized. Moving forward, the Corona Kavach policy will become only active when there is a hospitalization of minimum period of 24 hours. But in case of Corona Rakshak policy, the policy will become active if it is covered for a minimum continuous period of 72 hours of hospitalization. What are the policy offerings? Corona Kavach is offered as a mandatory cover by the insurer to individuals and families, while as in Corona Rakshak it is offered only to the individual person. Policy coverage. In case of Corona Kavach policy, minimum sum insured is Rs 50,000, a maximum is Rs 5 lakh. Whereas in the other hand, in case of Corona Rakshak, the minimum sum insured is 50,000, maximum is only up to 2.5 lakh. Availability of the additional benefits may Corona Kavach policy offers a hospital daily cash benefit. This adds on pays 0.5% of the sum insured per day. Suppose you have taken insurance of 50,000, you will get 500 per day, subject to a maximum of 15 days during a policy period for every insured member for every completed 24 hours of hospitalization. On the other hand, Corona Rakshak policy is defined benefit plan. There is no such features is available. Here is a difference which I have explained earlier. Now come to the premium rates differs from Corona Kavach and Corona Rakshak. Here are the companies which are offering. So we can generally see in Corona Kavach and Corona Rakshak, premium is almost same. And the tenure is 3.5 months, 6.5 months, 9.5 months. It may vary further as per the changes by the company providing. So it starts from 523 to maximum till 959 or 1000. But in Corona Rakshak, it starts from 577 till maximum of 1635. Other types of coronavirus insurance covers, apart from the Corona Kavach policy and Corona Rakshak policy, over the past few months, several insurers have launched other coronavirus insurance cover also. These are need-based insurance and they are based with IRDAI under the regulator's sandbox regulation. As per IRDAI, insurers are allowed to sell policies on a pilot basis for a limited period. These cover from a small coverage between 50,000 and Rs 1 lakh sum insured. For instance, one Star Noble coronavirus insurance policy is available under two sum insured options of 21,000 and 42,000 at a premium of 459 plus GST and 918 plus GST. So, as a policyholder, you should know that the insurer can withdraw these need-based product at any time in case it is found to be unviable to continue. So, this means that the conditions of the policy will be changed after a certain period of time depending upon the need of the insured person. Hence, now policies issued by digital payment firms, financial services firms. Several digital payment firms, financial services firms have also rolled out their own coronavirus hospitalization insurance policies in collaboration with different insurance companies. But now you don't need to go any further. I just need to tell you that with these two policies in mind, you can choose the best possible one for you and your family so that it can save yourself financially from this pandemic corona. Thank you guys. Hope you like my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.